strong. 8 years later. First Festool I ever bought. Wow. My favorite tool. You can cut anything. Some boards, I've used it in a number of different situations. On metal, on aluminum, plastic, wood, variable speed. Amazing circle cutting attachment. That's why I originally bought it. This right here. This old disc golf basket. Look at all the circles I cut. The other thing is the plug-in cord. Getting a little frayed, still working. Well, I just bought a whole bunch of new Festools. You know what? I'd replace that cord, no problem. I got my old one for spare. I'm gonna fix that while I'm still in operation. Festool, genius. Absolute tool genius. Thank you, Festool. Thank you for my Trion Jigsaw. ESP 300, still going strong. E-handle, awesome. Fast fix, change a blade in seconds. I love it. I guess it takes a real craftsman, carpenter, to fall in love with his tools. Know what he can do with it. Be able to get them out, pack them around, put them in their place, bring them from place to place, and make beautiful things all over the place. Thank you, Festool. A sustainer. Kept me organized, kept all my blades in one piece, my circle cutter in one spot, my jigsaw, all in one spot. Can't wait to get my new Carvex jigsaw. I really want one of those new circle cutters with the dial adjustment. But, just keep stocking them up. That's what I like about Festool. My 8-year-old, 9-year-old sustainer fits right into my vacuum. Boom! Just bought my vacuum a couple months ago. Still fits. Same thing. No change, no different parts. Well, different, but still compatible. The system is what makes the tools sometimes. So, I got my jigsaw on top of my vacuum, underneath my new RO150 Rotex sander, all clamped together. On the brake, in the back of my truck, not moving, not going nowhere. Well, another job well done. On to the next.